Shalom, shalom. What it is, people? It's your boy Landon. I am the man. Though we back with another. We back with another. We back with another one. So clearly, this is not my home. So we in the hotel. We currently in Dallas, Texas, and my room just so happened to come with a stove, IHG baby. You know what it is. So it's only right I shoot a Hotel Chronicles. You know I like to eat. You can tell I like to eat, and I like to cook too. So today, what we got on the menu? You know we were doing a curry series, so that's how we're gonna continue doing the curry. So we got on the menu today. We got it's called Black Drum. I never heard of it. I ain't gonna lie, but I got it from Whole Foods, and I looked it up. It's a big fish. So Black Drum. You know we're gonna curry that. We're gonna figure out how we're gonna do it. Got some jasmine rice. You know, bell pepper. And another bell pepper. Of course, you know my coconut oil, coconut milk. Oh, hold on. I got my okra. Now, all week, I've been drinking okra water, so we don't waste nothing. So you know the okra gonna be in there. Some of it might get wasted because I'm not gonna use all this okra, but okra gonna be in there too. You know, we're gonna make it happen. Of course, it's curry. Blue Mountain Curry, you know they go already. They didn't give me a sponsor. I ain't even saying y'all name no more. So we're gonna get into it. First thing first, what we're gonna do is we're gonna throw the rice on the stove. Matter of fact, we're gonna fill up this pot with water. So we already got the water in here. Now, I'll put a little bit more. A little bit more water in here. Now, I've been trying to figure out this stove all week. I finally turned it on yesterday. It's weird, but I'm gonna see if I can turn both of them on today. If not, we're gonna have to use one burner. I figured out how to turn on one burner. Let's see if we can figure out how to turn on the other one. I'm gonna show you. It's different. First of all, I'm gonna show you Hotel Chronicle, baby. This is what comes with it. Close the door, Lando. So, bring the camera over there. They got this thing right here, which is smart. It's a timer to turn on the power for the stove. Put it for 30 minutes. It's 30 minutes. So then you come right here, turn it down. You come right here, hit this, hold it for half a second, couple seconds, a half a second, 3 seconds. Now this is the part that threw me off. There you go. Hold this for like 5 seconds. Okay, we ready now. See that? Amp that thing up. Now, we'll see how this is gonna cook my rice. Cause you know you cook your rice on low, so we'll see. But that's what it is, y'all. So dude, we're gonna wash our rice. We island. We Jamaican. We wash our rice. We don't just cook it straight out the bag, you know? So of course we're gonna wash our rice. I'm not about to use all this rice. Clearly. Like that, you know, you gotta wash your rice, man. My culture. That's what we do. We wash our rice. I travel with my seasoning, and apparently all the seasoning spilled in the bag, so all of them look crazy. Don't judge me. And I bought seasoning at Whole Foods, but I didn't realize I had all-purpose seasoning here. But it's all good. Dang, look at it. Don't laugh. Don't laugh. But what we about to do, we about to season up this fish. You know, we about to curry the fish. I don't have my vinegar, but it's all good though. We clean everything in the islands. We do. That's what it is right there. That's the rice right there. We're gonna turn this thing down on low. Whatever low is, we're gonna turn it down on low. Hopefully that's low enough. We're just gonna let that do what it do. Know what I mean? Fish. Now with the fish, y'all, we just gonna cut it into some pieces. I can get a better knife, right? Somebody's saying that right now. We're gonna do it like that. Seasoning my fish right now, guys. My allspice. You know what I mean? I don't have everything I need, but we cooking. We a chef. We just make it happen. Curry powder. A lot of people don't do it. They burn the curry first. I am gonna burn the curry, but because I'm frying it down first, I can do this. You can do it even if you. People put curry on salad, and so I don't even think. I think it's a myth. It's an island myth that it'll hurt your stomach, but I don't want to be the one to find out. So I'm gonna do it like that. I need a little bit of spice to it, a little cayenne. Scotch bonnet would be better, but you know how I go. That might be too much, actually. I ain't gonna lie to you. That might be too much. I ain't just gonna stir it up. That's because I don't want the curry on my finger. That's really the reason I'm using a spoon. My okra that I've been drinking all week. I told you we ain't wasting nothing. Look at that. Well, that's going in there too. That's going in there too. So we about to get the fish going. About to get the fish going. Wipe this down. Yeah. Main course, the star of the show. Let's see if this stove works. Hold up, man. Y'all pay attention. Y'all with me. Okay, it came on. Okay then. All right. Of course, we're gonna wait till the pot get hot. Then we're gonna hit it with some coconut oil. I try my best to stay as healthy as possible, because I'm a greedy dude, so I gotta do that. Wow, we're gonna hit it with the coconut oil. That's me. You can use regular oil, whatever is regular oil. well, this thing kind. I would say vegetable oil or whatever. But I try to go the healthier route. Stay away from canola oil, for sure. I don't know, 2 spoonfuls of coconut oil, if that's what you're using. I'm gonna show you how you do it now. Show y'all how to do it. Let me turn these down a little bit. Might hit the fan. That's the fan too. Oh, I just made a mess. That's that. About a spoonful of curry. Oh, this thing hot. I gotta hurry up. See that? Just drop it in there, just like that. It's ready. It's ready. Oh yeah, I turned it down too much. Dang, now it won't turn up. This is crazy. Oh, I realized what happened. The timer went off. Okay, we swimming again. We swimming again. Let me get y'all some lights. There we go. We should have been had that light on. Now, if somebody gonna say that's not how you make curry, but I'm doing this one a little bit different. I'm really trying to fry the curry, fry the fish in the curry with the curry underneath it. It's a little different. It's not traditional. So then once I get it fried like a somewhat crispy, that's when I'm gonna cook it down. I'm doing it a little different. It's a little different. One of them haters out there, one of them islanders, I'm gonna call my people out who don't think out the box. I say, no man, I saw do eat, man. The boy don't know if he cook, man. Just chill. Chef Lando is here at the rescue. Just chill. Chef Big Key got big up yourself. You know where you go already. Huh? Alright, y'all. I don't know what's going on with the stove. The thing keep cutting off, man. If my rice messed up, I can cook rice. Keep cutting on and off. This is bull crap. You was doing good when it was one burner, but now one burner. But now I just keep cutting off, but it's all good though. So look, Check me out. That's what we about to do. Coconut milk, right? You go ahead and put it on this the okra, bell pepper and stuff like that. Just cause I can. You don't have to, you can put it straight in there. But I'm just doing it like that cause I can. And I want to. Let y'all see what it look like. Coconut milk to it. We just adding on top of everything that's already in there. You know what I mean? We're gonna add some water to it now. You know what? We ain't adding no water. We not adding no water. We want these things thick. Like I said, I ain't doing traditional. I'm different. Let it cook down for about. I gotta find the top for this pot. Where is it? But let it cook down for. You can let this cook down for like about 10 minutes. And it's ready. You know what I mean? I'm not traditional. Chef Lando. What do them? What do them? Rice, eh? Jamaican, what I say? No Shelly rice. Why for this Shelly? Partition rice. Yeah. My rice ready, boy. Y'all better stop playing with me. Everybody can't cook rice now. Everybody can't cook rice. Stop playing with me. Chef Lando was here. Yes, sir. We ready. Yes, sir. You see what it is. I like my presentation. Try to make my presentation look a little, you know. Thumbnail right there. Yes, sir. I like my presentation. Look good, don't it? Father God, I just want to thank you for the food. Pray that this food be a blessing and healing to my body in the name of Yahushua. Amen. Dang, this look good. Man, oh man. I don't know why I taste rice. Rice good. Gravy good. Oh, boy. Hey man, I need to take this on the road. This thing is good, and not just because I cook it. This is good. My bad. I'm sorry. I forgot y'all was up there. Thanks for watching, y'all. Hotel Chronicle. We're trying to drop a Hotel Chronicle every Friday. We're not trying. We ain't trying. We dropping a Hotel Chronicle every Friday. So y'all look forward for Chef Lando. Curry boss. We're in the curry season right now. I ain't gonna lie. This is so good. I outdid myself. And I didn't even have everything. I put it together real good though. This is good. Boy. Appreciate y'all for watching. Make sure you subscribe, like, and share. I'm about to finish this up.